Here we are at Bradenton, Astro Skate. The kids are all out here shuffle skating. I gotta try to keep up with them.
Once again, this is our jam skaters only. This is our jam skate club. All these kids are part of Astro Skate.
Going really fast.
Little things like this.
Yeah. I can't keep up with them. You gotta get them to stop. We'll get them to stop. Yeah.
All right, just Shayla. Just Shayla. Just Shayla. Boy, back off. Just Shayla.
All right. Go Joseph, yeah.
All right, Shayla, back off. Joseph.
Little Joseph out here tearing it up. Yeah. All right, y'all want to go down? Let's go down to the one end, and you guys do one trick at a time. Right here, I'm here. Go down here. Let's see your all's tricks. Yeah.
Dad, is it recording?
Haha. Yeah, I'm recording the whole time. All right.
Hey, I'm gonna do a grapevine.
You got
Do a grapevine into a spin.
grapevine into a spin. All right, first, come here. He doesn't listen too well. Come here. I want you to tell me your. How long you been skating? 2 years? 11 years. All right, let's see what you got. All right, let's see your trick, Joseph. Let's see it. He's getting some speed. Nice. Nice. That was cool, though. He wants to redo it.
No.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. You got to do it. You got some fans. There's probably some pressure here. A little bit of pressure with the fans. He's getting dizzy. Nice job, Joseph. Good job. All right, who's next?
I'll go.
All right, what's your name and how long you been skating?
Kayla. I don't know how long. I've been skating for a while.
All right.
8 years.
About 8 years?
I'm gonna do a front handspring.
Front handspring. Wow. Let's see it. That's hot.
One of the dopest moves out of all of ours.
Here she goes. She's going to get some speed. She's going to do a front handspring. Oh, nice job, Kayla. Good job. All right, who's up next? Your name and how long?
My name's Oriana, and I've been skating for like a year.
A year?
Yeah.
Cool, all right.
Oh, and my age is 11, and I'm 11.
All right, well, you had your...
11, and he's 11.
He's 10? All right, let's see what you got. What are you going to do? Whoa, the splits. You must be really flexible to do that. Good job. Nice job. All right, who's next? Tell me your name and how long you've been skating.
I am Gabriel. I have been skating for a couple of years. I do not know how long, but yeah.
All right,
I
see
can
what
do
you
a
got.
split just like this.
Oh, okay. Whoa. That looks hard. Got some groundwork there. Cool looking. Nice Nice job, Gabriel. Good job. All right, we got one more. So Ryan, come here. Tell me your name. Last one. I'll do anything. One more. Your name, how long you been skating?
2 years.
Okay, cool. I know you're a really good skater, so let's see what you got. What's he got? He's going, getting some speed, looks like. Nice spin. Nice spin. Good job.
Oh, hockey stop.
Hockey stop? All right, let's see your hockey stop, Joseph. Hockey stop, and that's it. All right, hockey stop. All right, come on. Let's see your hockey stop. They're getting some speed. Nice. Good job, guys. And those are some of the kids here at Astro Skate. It's a fun place to come.
Come, bro, come.
Yeah. See you guys next time. Thank you.